Bitch.
Heal me at once.
You captured more than half of the mission area.
Maximum pulse. Cleanse this place.
God damn it.
Denizens of the deep. Your soul.
Need some help.
That is much better.
The fucking octopus got
I will
me.
not be
That's
stopped so
crazy.
easily.
Their team's capture progress is past the halfway point.
Is that ours?
Place to do some damage.
Attack them.
Need some help. Hits the
Feel
ground.
the ocean chill.
Bitch.
Heal me at once.
You captured more than half of the mission area.
Maximum pulse. Cleanse this place.
God damn it.
Denizens of the deep. Your soul.
Need some help.
That is much better.
The fucking octopus got
I will
me.
not be
That's
stopped so
crazy.
easily.
Their team's capture progress is past the halfway point.
Is that ours?
Place to do some damage.
Attack them. Namor does not lose.
That did the trick.
Camera died.
I am Groot.
Hold on. I'll fix it after. This round.
Protect your king.
The area's almost yours.
Nice ally awakened.
I suck. Be careful over here.
Heal me at once. That is much better.
Perfect.
Ocean, protect me.
You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
Namor does not lose.
That did the trick.
I am Groot.
Camera died.
I am Groot.
Hold on. I'll fix it after. This round.
Protect your king.
The area's almost yours.
Nice ally awakened.
I suck. Be careful over here.
Heal me at once. That is much better.
Perfect.
Ocean, protect me.
You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
Namor does not lose.
That did the trick.
I am Groot.
Camera died.
I am Groot.
Hold on. I'll fix it after. This round.
Protect your king.
The area's almost yours.
Nice ally awakened.
I suck. Be careful over here.
Heal me at once. That is much better.
Perfect.
Ocean, protect me.
You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
Damn it. Bitch, I thought you were sleeping, bruh.
There's another one down.
Control lost.
My battle has only just begun.
Kinda.
Control seized. You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
This is my last game. Thing.
Need some help.
Welcome back. Are you still level 8?
The tides always turn in my favor.
Glow up. 30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
I need to pee, bruh. Need to pee so bad. Oh yeah, my camera died. So who do you like playing so far? Ars? Arc. I'll play Arc.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Bro, I'm doing so bad.
Heroes get the job done.
4k damage.
Times like these, we can't
Not
afford
it.
hesitation.
Not it. I'm only keeping it for the team up. Venom. You're PC, right? Arc?
Attack them! From the coldest depths!
Mission area is yours to capture now.
Maximum pulse! Next time, you may not be so lucky. You never had a chance.
Still got it after all these
Holy
years.
shit.
Mission area is yours.
I summon the seas! My strength is returning.
Oh my gosh, you should join my faction.
I like the cold.
I don't know if you can yet, because you're level 8.
Denizens of the deep. I am through.
Go perfect. Hex. Look out behind you. I like the cold. I am ready to put on
Fuck,
a show.
so low.
Another one bites the dust.
A nice hit the ground.
26 health, bruh. Yes, I want to. I need 3 more members. I need 3 more. Nobody wants to join.
I'm hurt.
There's like 10 hours left.